A recession can be a tough time for many businesses, but there are certain industries that tend to do well, even in tough economic times. By focusing on recession-proof business ideas, entrepreneurs can increase their chances of success and weather economic downturns with relative ease. In today's video, we will be showing you 10 recession-proof business ideas. Without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Healthcare. For better or for worse, health needs do not wait for a recession to end. As such, the healthcare sector is uniquely positioned to withstand recessionary conditions. Healthcare is often one of the first industries cited for its recession-resistant characteristics, and for good reason. Recent research suggests for every 10% increase in overall unemployment, healthcare unemployment only increases by 1.27%. Employment figures are an indicator of how well an industry is performing. If the healthcare industry doesn't need to reduce staff at the same rate as other industries, evidence suggests the health sector outperforms other sectors during economic struggles. However, while healthcare performed exceptionally well during the Great Recession, this doesn't guarantee the same will ring true in a new economic downturn. Number 2. Grocery, food, and beverages. People will always need to eat, meaning the food, grocery, and beverage industry is very recession-resistant. However, not all businesses in this space perform well during recessions. Restaurants are notorious for suffering during economic downturns. In 2009, during the Great Recession, restaurant earnings as a whole were dismal. Consumers might forego expensive dining experiences during a recession and instead opt for eating from home. This can benefit businesses providing groceries or cheaper food options. Businesses that provide affordable food typically thrive during a recession. Number 3. Courier, freight, and logistics. Businesses within the courier, freight, and logistics companies now benefit from access to extensive data that helps them strategically adapt services to market demands. With e-commerce positioning itself at the forefront of the economy, the freight industry is essentially the backbone of the economy. That remains true even if retail sales flounder during a recession. Because the delivery of packages cannot be outsourced to cheaper labor markets, courier and freight services require a domestic presence. If you want to launch a business supporting local economic activity, it's hard to find a better option than a courier or freight service. Number 4. Real estate and property management. While the Great Recession occurred due to a property market crisis, not all recessions have had the same impact on home values. The dot-com recession, 2000, and the Gulf War recession, 1991, had barely any impact on the housing market. In many cases, central banks lower interest rates during recessions, which makes capital cheaper and encourages investment. The availability of more affordable mortgages can positively impact the housing market, as increased financing accessibility can expand the pool of potential homebuyers. Number 5. Contractor, repair, and automotive. During recessions, industries that can be easily automated or outsourced often suffer. On the other hand, sectors requiring local labor typically perform well, because contracting, repair, and automotive industries require skilled local labor. They are well suited to withstand economic contraction. Likewise, consumers need access to contractors, mechanics, and other repair professionals. If your car doesn't work, you can't get to work. Access to a skilled local mechanic is a necessity. However, not all industries associated with contracting perform well during recessions. Construction spending in the United States contracted by more than 5% in 2008 during the Great Recession. While consumers always need repair professionals, they may hold off on building new properties during recessions. Number 6. Academic and education. Evidence suggests education is a recession-proof industry despite its high expense in the United States. When a portion of the workforce is laid off, which so often occurs during a recession, many individuals return to school to develop their professional skills, creating a demand for postgraduate degrees. During the Great Recession, universities in the United States saw considerable increases in enrollment. Between 2007 and 2010, there was an almost 16% increase in the number of students enrolling in college. While other industries suffered immensely, academia experienced a notable increase in students. Number 7. Accounting and finance. Accounting and finance may not be industries one immediately associates with the term recession-proof, but people still require accounting solutions during most economic downturns, be it tax preparation, estate preparation, or bookkeeping services. Additionally, many consumers and businesses need access to finance, whether credit cards, car loans, business loans, or other types of lending. The need for these financial products does not disappear during a recession. However, some finance companies can be at risk during a recession. Finance companies willing to take significant risks are easily exposed to the stresses of an economic downturn. For example, Bear Stearns, one of the United States' most well-known banks, collapsed during the Great Recession in 2008. Number 8. Information technology and software. During a recession, many businesses find they cannot survive under their existing operational structure. When economic conditions are favorable, businesses may not prioritize investing in technology and automation. Then, when the economy contracts, many successful enterprises improve their automation and technology capabilities to cut down on unwanted costs. This trend benefits IT and software businesses. Businesses that modernize how businesses communicate, store information, and operate typically survive a recession by helping other businesses survive a recession. Number 9. Digital marketing services. Spending on digital marketing is predicted to exceed $600 billion in 2022. While you may assume businesses cut down on advertising during recessions, digital marketing is a cost-effective alternative to traditional marketing channels. With pay-per-click campaigns, social media marketing, and search engine optimization, digital marketing services help businesses target specific market segments with an interest in their products. Also, digital marketing businesses can operate with lower overhead costs, adding to their recession-proof nature. Many business owners find one of their largest business expenses is the cost of labor. However, digital marketing businesses can reap the benefits of the growing gig economy. By hiring web designers, copywriters, SEO managers, and other staff on a contract basis, you can pay employees on a per-project basis. Number 10. E-commerce and dropshipping. While retail is known for suffering during times of economic contraction, e-commerce and dropshipping allow you to operate a retail business without the financial overhead associated with normal brick-and-mortar trading. Retail businesses typically have large overheads, rent commitments, stock storage, and full-time staff members, the costs of which can cause significant financial pressure when consumer demand drops. On the other hand, e-commerce businesses can operate a leaner business model. With minimal financial commitments to constrain them during economic downturns, e-commerce businesses are considered recession-proof, despite the risk of faltering consumer demand. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.